Hello everyone, I'm Pierpaolo De Minicis and I'm the Pro Audio Division Manager at Lavoce Italiana, a really well established transducer manufacturer from Italy. We are here at InfoComm 2025 and we are glad to talk about our 10-inch common motor coaxial CSF102.50K. That is a 10-inch unit with a 2.5-inch voice coil for the low frequency section and 1.7-inch voice coil for the HF section with polyamide diaphragm, ensuring really high level of sound quality. This is part of of what we call CSF range that starts from 6.5-inch common motor coaxial to 8-inch common motor coaxial up to 15-inch common motor coaxial, and having in the price performance ratio its main strength. You can find more information on lavocespeakers.com.